Okay, so here's a perfect example of what not to do in coding. You should always make everything scale with the appropriate spot. So here I'm griping about the size of the screencast-o-matic recorder, which is down here. I'm not even sure that thing shows up in the recorder, but it's about, well, the kick is it's exactly the same size that it was before in pixels. But my fancy new laptop has a way bigger screen, right? Like this screen has twice as many pixels in both the X and the Y direction, right? Which means that anything got scaled down by a kind of factor of 4 in appearance, right? So my little icon that used to be kind of reasonable size that I could see, I can no longer see. So I would like for that to be scalable, right? And if I scale this up to, 1,000,000% or whatever, you guys see it scales all these icons. It scales the kind of the size of my window. But the thing it doesn't scale is the recorder's size. Yeah, it scooches it up because it's not allowed to be too far underneath the Windows bar, right? You guys see that? But it is allowed to be a little bit underneath there, as we saw when I started this, right? I could barely see it. So it's just kind of a like, if you don't want your users to be annoyed, right, just make everything scale. Cool?
Could you change the resolution down to as a temporary fix?
Yeah, I could. So a temporary and really silly fix is I could do this like, okay, I'm going to revert my size. And then I could go in here to the resolution settings and just crank the resolution way down. And now my little icon is the usual size, right?